Today I want to see how this turns out. This is cut crabs, blue swim crabs. It's basically blue crabs, and it's already like clean. It's not cooked, it's fresh. I don't usually buy them like this. I usually buy them already cooked from the restaurant or live so that I can cook them myself. So I'm just gonna try them. I'm gonna cook them in the microwave in this bag. I'm gonna put this seasoning. This isn't Badia Complete. This is actually my mix. I got all kind of seasonings mixed in here. Put a little parsley and some butter. And see how that works. First, I'm just gonna let you see what it and let me see what it looked like for the first time. It looked like it's kind of vacuum sealed. Oh wait. So it's covered in plastic already. Plus, it's kind of vacuum, not really vacuum sealed, but another piece of plastic. I can't really tell how many is in here. 1, 2, 3. Look like 10 to 12, little half a body, so about 6 crabs. I don't even want to take the water out. I just want to, well, maybe I should rinse it off. Let me go in and rinse it off. Okay, the crabs are done, and this is what they look like in the bag. I don't know what it tastes like. The sauce is good. Try it. See what the texture of the meat looks like. Ooh, it's hot. They're pretty good, y'all. Pretty darn good. I thought it wasn't going to come out that good. The only thing is it's just so small. It's so small. Beautiful. Dip it in some of that butter. Butter and parsley sauce. I shouldn't be acting like this over these crabs, but they are good. So, if you want to try fresh frozen crabs, you can just follow the method that I just did, and I guarantee you they'll be good. Hopefully you can find some bigger ones.